Dumelang, re a tswela gape ka medumo le mafoko. Remember to like and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also follow the TikTok account at Learn Setswana with Moho on TikTok. Let's start. Ta for taboga, to run. Ta for tapole, a potato. Ta for tafole, a table. Te for tea, te for ntate, father. Te for tante, a tent. Ti for tamati, a tomato. Ti for lebati, the door. To for toropo, a town. To for tota, indeed, you used to emphasize what you are saying. To for motoho, soft porridge. Tu for tukwi, a headscarf. Tu for tumelo, faith. T can also be used with L to make the sound. This is mostly how we write in Setswana, and this is the language that is used by Bakhatla. Example, tla for tlala, hunger. Tla for batla, to want. Tle for ga ke batle, I do not want. Tle for tletse, to be full. Tle for bontle, beautiful. Tle for kwantle, outside. Tli, tlo for tlotlo, respect. Tlo for ntlo, a house. Remember that the plural for ntlo is matlo, not dintlo. Tlo for tlotlo, respect. Tlo for tlotlo, anointing. Tlu, T o kgona go dirisa le H gore nne ta. Ta for thaba, a hill. Te for tepe, an indigenous vegetable in Botswana. Te for mathe, saliva. Te for tebe, a shield. Te for tebe, the smallest unit of currency in Botswana. Before pula is tebe. For example, 50 tebe, 10 tebe. Te for tekiso, the business of selling. T for toti, small drop of water. T for tipa, a knife. To for tobaela, to struggle or go through a hard time. To for botho, respect. To for tobo, harvest. To for boroto, bread. Tu for tulamela, to doze off or be asleep. Tu for tunza, to shoot. T can be used with LH to make the sound. This is normally how we write in Setswana. Instead of using we use most of the time in Setswana. Tla for tlhalosa, to explain or elaborate. Tla for tlhakole, February. Tle, tle, tli. Tlo for botlhoko, pain or sour taste. Tlo for ditlhopho, elections. Tlo for tlhodia, to make noise. Tlu, we can add W to TLH to make the sound. This is Tla for tlhwatlhwa, a price of something. Tlhwe, tlhwe, tlhwi, tlho, tlho, tlhu. Re tsena mo medumong le mafoko a mangwe. Before we continue, guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and go and follow our TikTok account at Learn Setswana with Mohomutsi. Let us continue. O kgona go kopangwa le S gore nne ts. Tsa for tsamaya, to walk or to go away. Tsa for tsaya, to take. Tsa for tsala, a friend. Tse for tsela, a road. Tse for motse, a village. Tse for matsetse, an insect that bites. Tse for tsena, to come in or enter. Tsi for metsi, water. Tsi for tsibosa, to warn. Tso for motsotso, a minute. Tso for tsone, it's a plural for things. Tsu for motsu, a sharp edge. TS o kgona go dirisiwa a re sitse gore nne ch. Ch for ntša, a dog. Tss o kgona go add W gore nne ts. This is ts. This is ts. Tswa for tswala, to close. Tswa for Motswana, a Botswana citizen. Tswe for lentswe, the voice. Tswe for go tswetswe, it's closed. Tswe for tswetswe, please. Tswe for lentswe, a rock. Remember, this is lentswe, the voice. This is lentswe, a rock or stone. Tswi, tso, tso, tsu, ts. O kgona go edola gore nne tss. Tsa for tshasa, to apply something onto something. For example, body lotion on your skin. Tss for tshameka, to play. Tshe for botshelo, life. Tshe for tshela, to live. Tshe for motse, a rod that is used to pound sorghum. Tshe for tshepa, to trust. Tshe for tshela, to pour a liquid into something. Tshe for tshega, to laugh. Tshi for motshitshi wa dinotshi, a swarm of bees. Tshi for tshimologo, the beginning of something. Tsho for bontsho, black. Tsho for tsholofelo, hope. Tsho for tshoga, to be afraid or scared. Tsho for tshokolo, struggle or poverty. Tshu for tsutsuma, to be too oily or shiny. Tshu for tsukudu, a rhinoceros. Tss o kgona go resiwa gore nne ch. Remember, in Setswana we do not use ch, we use ch. Ch for setšhaba, the public or nation. Ch for ncha, new, new. Tss o kgona go edia o gore nne tss. This is tss. This is tss. Tswa for tshwantsha, to draw or to relate two things. Tswa for tshwana, to be the same or similar or alike. Tswe for tshweni, a baboon or monkey. Tswe for tshwenya, to bully someone. Tswe, tswi, tsho, tsho, tshu. Okay guys, we are about to come to the end of our lesson. Re tsena mo mafokong a bofelo. Remember to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and follow us on TikTok. Whoa. Wa for wami, mine. Wa for warona, ours. We for wena, you. We, wo, wo, woo. Ya for tsamaya, to walk or to go away. Ye, yi. You for motho yo, this person. You for motho yo, that person. Yo for ga ayo, he or she is not around. You, congratulations guys, we have come to the end of our chapter 1. ya introduction to Setswana. So now you know how to pronounce the words of Setswana. You know about ditumanosi, which are vowels. You know about ditumammogo, which are consonants. That is the end of our lesson. Thank you very much for watching. Continue to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and follow us on TikTok. Go fitlhela re kopana gape mo nako e tlang. Go siame.